back to 6 Gear Auto. I wanted to give y'all an update. Finally, Mustang is gonna have a full gearbox again. That's right. When I went back down to Florida this past weekend, I went and bought a much lower mile MT82 for about $880 or $860, I think. Either way, that's, you know, almost $2,000 cheaper than a rebuild from Calamar, which I don't feel like doing. But I dropped it off at Velocity Motorsports. Jaleel with I think it's a twin turbo Mustang now. I haven't seen him in a while, so I don't know what he's got. But he's going to be doing the install hopefully this weekend, is my guess. That's what we talked about. But finally, the Mustang's going to actually have a gearbox that can be driven properly again. As annoying as it's been since like October 2021. And at the time of recording this, it is what I think it's April 2023. I haven't been able to drive this thing the way it's been meant to in almost a year and a half. So finally going to be able to do that again, and that is a really nice feeling. I'm also getting the radio back in like a couple days. The company Automotive Circuit Solutions actually sent me an email to tell me that the radio has been fixed. It's been shipped back out. I'll be reinstalling that in a couple days. But yeah, this car is finally going to be not in pieces, essentially. And we'll see what happens to the car from there. Alright, so today's the day. We got some Royal Purple Synchromax. That's the transmission fluid I'm using in this one. We're going to head over to Jay's shop in a minute, and this is going to be good. Hey, Salem. Okay, so we got the box in for it, and now off to Jay's shop. God damn, that's loud. But just got to Jay's shop. It's backing a black Mustang. I don't remember whose this is actually out though. But this is the shop. You see Sully, you see Velocity. Yeah. Finally getting this thing fixed after a year and a half with it broken. Kermit's finally getting the attention that it needs, essentially. What the hell did the previous owner do to this shit? God damn. Alright, first time driving Kermit with a second gear pretty much in almost 2 years. Because this gearbox went out in October 21, so I've been driving with no second gear for over a year and a half almost, which is about as long as I've owned Kermit in the first place. But let's see how it goes. How shitty the original gearbox was, and as I've already, I showed you, apparently the clutch in the old one had blown up at some point because that was damaged to hell and back. This thing feels better than when I bought it now, which makes sense. Differential's been fixed and transmission's finally been fixed. But my God, I didn't expect it to be this big a difference. Holy crap. The shifter's a lot smoother, everything works now. Oh, it's the first time. Oh, I cannot thank Velocity 50, Jay. I cannot thank you enough. This is a world of difference, not even just in the sense of having a functional gearbox.